Hi, this video is about setting up a brand new student and enrolling their student into SmartNet and do Mathletics and various other websites. So what you'll need open first is this one here, website here with Mathletics. So the first thing I do is I enroll a student on here, and what that does is it generates a password, and it's the same password the students use to access the network. Careers.govt and Spellodrome. So here on students, and I'm just going to create a brand new student today. We'll call that student new kid 2 because I've already got new kid somewhere. New kid 2. We'll make that student year 12. Put that into Nafutu over here. What we have done at Tamayaha is we have used the first 3 letters of the student's last name. Initially we did have just 1 letter, but when we had kids returning with the same first name and the same last initial, that caused confusion. So hopefully this we haven't had any problems so far. So once you've done that, new first name, surname, year, assign the classes, press continue. I'm going to continue here because you don't want the password printed out. So you've done that, and then go to edit and click on here to put them into order, and you'll see that we have should have somewhere a new kid. So we have first name here, kid 2, last name, year, their Mathletics login and their password. So we've got both 26. So with the student enrolled onto Mathletics, we can then go and enter them onto the SmartNet. So I'm just going to log in quickly here. Depending on the access that you have, will determine how far you can go through. So we're going to add a new user. Again, the protocol that we have up here for generating usernames is the first 3 letters of their first name and the first 3 of the last name, and their full first name here and full last name here. The internet policy up here is students. These ones here remain the same, and it's going to be managed by teachers. Okay, we want to remove this tick because we don't want them to be able to change their password. We're able to prevent that here. And we're also going to deny remote access. And then I'm going to put the student in my video here, and students. Add user. Most of this you probably already know, but I'm just quickly going to go through what we do up here. The password, which is what you've got from Mathletics, and if you've forgotten like I just did, boat 26, and again boat 26. Change password. Student successfully added. Just to confirm that, I'm going to go to computer, desktop, and to manage users. Managed by teachers, and we should see a new folder that's got nothing in it. So this is our new student here, and it's empty. Okay, so you've got the student onto Mathletics, got them onto SmartNet. We use a website up here, as you probably do, careers.govt, and as you may know, they need an email address. So we use this program up here, mail.com. You're going to get a new email account. They don't know the details of this account email address, and if you want to continue using it when they leave, then you can just give them the password. First name for our student is new, last name, again I'll only use the first 3 letters of the last name. Gender, male. As a default, I use the 1st of January 1998 for no other reason than it doesn't their access to this email address they're not given it anyway. Desired email address, same as the SmartNet login, NEWKID at mail.com. I have a standard password that I use. Again, you can use whatever password you want. I use my own email address as a contact. Security question. Every student has the same security question. What's the name of your first pet? Whatever question you choose is entirely up to you. And then enter this here, 43, stop rate 455. I accept, create my account. Okay, I've probably already done this one, so I'm going to call it new kid 2. Everything else is still the same. And with any luck, it will accept that and go to this new email account. Accept and create. So we're just waiting for this to take us. Okay, so here's our new email address. Continue to inbox. And then, so there's a new email account we've created here. This window here pops up. You can just close out. You don't need to know what it says about premium email accounts, which you don't want. Hello new kid, inbox. You can log out here. And then we use that email address to register them with careers.govt. Register. The username that they're going to have is their SmartNet username, SmartNet password. First name, their full first name, first three letters of their last name, the email address you've just created, confirming that here, region, obviously you'll choose a region that applies to you, and you'll choose the ethnicity that applies. We'll make this student New Zealand, European, New Zealand, Māori. Accept terms and conditions, and type in this code here. Create your account. And with any luck, it'll come up and it'll accept that, unless it's already got someone with a username. We use careers.govt within social sciences. Obviously looking at planning their career and helping them to plan a career. I'm running a bit slow today, and here we are. So the new kid, and I just log them in. Okay, it says that they already exist, so I'm just going to quickly call this new kid 23. New kid. Come down here, check those, type in the new code. And hopefully that will accept this new student onto careers.govt. We're running a bit slow today. And here we go. So it says up here, we're just going to log them in now. So I enter correctly, PA8026. And here we go. Got a new, so the username up here, the person's name up here. Okay, once you've confirmed that, and log them out. And log out again here. Cool, I hope this has helped. If you have any problems, just give me a yell, and I'll see what I can do for you.